Hi, welcome once again to your weekly free lesson in Jamaican Patwah. Today we're going to look at some Jamaican proverbs. I will tell you the proverbs and give you an interpretation. Remember to get your copy of Talk Jamaican, to subscribe to this channel, to like and to share to your friends. So let's get a move on. A lamentation you always hear is Jacka say the world no label. Jacka say the world no label. In other words, life is so unfair. You hear that a lot around courthouses where people don't like the sentence or the outcome of a case. Jacka say the world no label. Lord Almighty, life unfair. Another one, little picnic, pull your frack string. Big picnic, pull your heart string. Little picnic, pull your frack string. Big picnic, pull your heart string. In other words, your children, when they are small, they hold on to your dress, but they always hold on to your heart, no matter how old they get. So big picnic, pull your heart string. No matter how old they get, what they do affects you. What sweet nanny goat a go run in belly? It means that you may think something is wonderful today, but in the long run, it's harmful to you. What sweet nanny goat a go run in belly? It's harmful in the long run. No everything good for chat. The British may say, silence is golden. Be careful what you say. In other words, another one, mind your jump from the frying pan in the fire. Mind your jump from the frying pan in the fire. In other words, you may think you are having some problems now and you change course only to find that you are worse off than you were before. This one encourages us to cooperate with each other. It says, one hand can't clap, one hand can't clap. In other words, we must learn to work with others in cooperation. But it's not always only used in this way. Another where you often hear that is in the bar. If you buy somebody a drink, instead of saying, give me another one, no? Or pay for another one for me, no? Them say, one hand can't clap. In other words, I cannot drink only one liquor. This one is want to lose all. Want to lose all. Greed does not pay. I don't know if you remember the story of the dog with the bone. It saw its reflection in the river, and thinking it was another dog, it opened its mouth to growl at it, only to lose the bone that was in its mouth. So, want all, lose all. That dog, they did want everything end up with the nothing. Next one, excuse me. Why you not know no make a heart leap? We know this one. Ignorance is bliss. If you don't know something, you don't worry about it. What take too long serve not a man? When you visit your friends or a party and there's no food left, you will hear that. What take too long serve not a man? What you take too long to use, other people will. And very often that refers to food. Want it, can't get it. Get it, can't want, no want it. You know, often you look over your grass looks greener on the other side. And when you check it out, those who live there or are enjoying the things that you would love to have are not happier than you. So want it, can't get it, no want it. They may have what you want, but it has not made their life any better. Take sleep, mark death. In other words, pay attention to what you do. Beware of the red flags and all the omens. Don't jump into a situation without checking it out properly. And you know, these proverbs are given to us by the older generation so that life can be less stressful for us, so that we make less errors. And it suits us to pay attention to them. So today, not only do you get a lesson in Jamaican Patwah, you get some sound advice. Have a great day.
Sunday gone, I jump on a minibus. I really late, but it's not my fault. When we nearly reach by the terminus, I feel the bus come to a halt. Well, liquor ram goes down by the roundabout, but just as if that could not suffice, a brother run to the bus and start to shout, "You should have dead make we buy a pound of rice. Ram goat liver, good for neck, manish water. Billy goat teeth, make the earring for your daughter. Curry good lunch, put the bite in your back. It make your daughter, it make your daughter walk and talk." Well, the news spread fast like a telegram. Nobody know where the goat come from. We raise a pot and a pan from an iron man who said